Weight loss is a common goal for many people, and regular exercise is an important part of any weight loss plan. However, not all exercises are created equal when it comes to burning calories and losing weight. We'll take a look at the 10 best exercises for weight loss, and explain why each one is so effective. 1. Running. One of the simplest and most effective weight loss exercises, running burns a significant number of calories in a short amount of time. Whether you're running on a treadmill or outside, the high-impact nature of running helps to boost your metabolism and burn fat. 2. Cycling. Like running, cycling is a great cardiovascular exercise that can burn a lot of calories. The added benefit of cycling is that it is a low-impact exercise, making it a great option for people who may have joint pain. 3. Swimming. Another low-impact exercise that is great for weight loss. Swimming is a total body workout that can burn up to 500 calories per hour. Plus, the buoyancy of the water provides a great way to tone your muscles and improve your cardiovascular fitness. 4. Jumping rope. This simple exercise can burn up to 13 calories per minute, making it one of the most efficient exercises for weight loss. Jumping rope is also a great option for people who are short on time, as it can be done in a small space with minimal equipment. 5. High-intensity interval training. This type of exercise involves short, intense bursts of activity followed by periods of recovery. HIIT has been shown to be more effective for weight loss than steady-state cardio, as it can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories even after your workout is over. 6. Strength training. Building muscle through strength training helps to boost your metabolism, which can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Additionally, strength training can help you tone your muscles and improve your overall body composition. 7. Yoga. While yoga may not burn as many calories as some of the other exercises on this list, it can still be an effective way to lose weight. Yoga helps to build muscle, increase flexibility, and reduce stress, all of which can contribute to weight loss. 8. Pilates. Like yoga, Pilates is a low-impact form of exercise that can be effective for weight loss. It focuses on building core strength, which can improve your overall body composition and help you burn more calories. 9. Rowing. Rowing is a great full-body workout that can burn up to 600 calories per hour. It is also low-impact, making it a good option for people with joint pain. 10. Jumping lunges. This exercise works your lower body and core at the same time, and can burn up to 13 calories per minute. Like jumping rope, jumping lunges are a great option for people who are short on time. It's important to note that in order to lose weight you have to burn more calories than you consume. So, it's important to combine exercise with a healthy diet to achieve optimal results. It's also recommended to speak with a doctor or a trainer to make sure that these exercises are appropriate and safe for your current level of fitness and any medical conditions you may have. There are many different exercises that can help you lose weight, but some are more effective than others. The exercises mentioned here are among the best for burning calories and losing weight, so give them a try and see which ones work best for you.